So y'all know I got a flip phone. I'm still setting it up, which I haven't like used it yet. And so I've been put my ringtone. I gotta get a picture on there. So let me show y'all the ringtone. So old school, so throwback. Let me show you. Can't wait to start using it. Okay, so I got it turned on.
Greeting. Press 2. Your current greeting is...
So when y'all call my phone, y'all gonna hear this. It's so much easier to put music on here. I clean my screen. It's dirty. Don't worry, it's gonna be over.
Hi, leave me a short message and I'll get to you. Thank you.
Yay!
To play your current greeting.
I love it, y'all. I love it. I can't wait to start using it. So, like I said, I just set it up. So, yeah. And I record the song from like iTunes, just put it against the iPhone. But, yeah. So, I had to show y'all that because it's so like old school. Y'all remember that? Yay!